St. Breezy, reloaded. And they're off. Even start. Daddy approves with Kipstar. Love Me All Day Indy USA. Daydream is right there. As they go to the first turn, it's Daddy approves. So Daddy approves leads them early from Kipstar. Love Me All Day Indy USA. Daydream is one off the rail. Benburb is running in the 4-path. La Lace is second to last. And St. Breezy, the one who broke through the gate prior to the start with no early speed. As these maiden 3-year-old fillies go to the back of the track, Daddy approves out in front. Went the opening quarter in 24 seconds flat. Brian Hernandez Jr. has the point with Daddy approves, leading Miss Benburb and Kipstar. Daydream, fourth now as they make this backstretch run for Sean Bridgmohan. Daydream at 2-5, fourth on the outside. Then with the rail, Love Me All Day Indy USA. La Lace and it's 5 more to St. Breezy, trying to get into it at the half mile. Daddy approves on a solo mission. Went 4 furlongs in 49 1/5 seconds. They turn again. Daddy approves leads Miss Benburb by 3.5. 3 furlongs from home. Love Me All Day Indy USA has been saving ground. Daydream is fourth and outside of Love Me All Day Indy USA, and Daydream starts to gain ground now. Daddy approves in front in the shadow of the quarter pole. La Lace running in fifth. St. Breezy, Kipstar drop back to last. Daddy approves, turns them in. Went 3/4 in 1:15 4. Daddy approves trying to see this out. They're deep in the final furlong and a half. Daddy approves leads Daydream now by 5 in the final Fairgrounds furlong. Then toward the inside is Love Me All Day Indy USA staying on. Miss Benburb is fourth. Inside the final 16th. So Daddy approves, did all the legwork, and it paid off. Daddy approves, wire to wire, won by a half dozen lengths from odds-on Daydream. Love Me All Day Indy USA finished third. Then Miss Benburb